Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals and some of the best sellers going on right now at your local Home Depot Christmas sale. So let's dive in. All right, guys, so we're going to dive right in here to some of these deals. You can see some of these storage options right here. And like I was saying in the very beginning, I want to show you guys some of the deals and also the ones that might have changed. Some things have even dropped lower than they were for Black Friday. So I want to show you guys a lot of those. You can see right here another great deal on this chest right here. I think it's a great option for storage and a workbench. But here's another great one, 50% off all the holiday decor. So if you are decorating for Christmas, or you still want to grab some stuff, or maybe you want to grab some stuff for next year, you can come in here and grab some of these great deals. But I want to show you guys a lot of the deals going on right now, some of the clearance items, some of the items that are on deeper discount, and I want to show y'all some of the items that have actually sold out. Just showing y'all some of the most popular items at my store and probably across the country as well. But again, starting off with a lot of this Christmas decor, just showing you guys it's 50% off. So if you want some of this stuff, you better go grab it now, because there were people there grabbing tons of this stuff, filling up their carts and different stuff like that. So go check them out now if you're interested in any of the Christmas items. Again, I didn't even show you all of it, but just rows and rows and rows of discounted items, so you can check that out. They also had a bunch of grills on sale. See this right here, the Daytona 2. Little burner option right there, similar to the Blackstone Next grill. So great thing to check out there. Pretty good price on that one as well. Have a couple little sides. They also had Traegers on sale. Again, some of the best deals right now going on Traegers. So if you need one of those, you can definitely do that. I really like a Traeger. I'd love one of those. I have a Pit Boss, and it's great. But Traegers are really good as well. So, again, great Christmas present for yourself or for someone else. But really cool items right there on the two Traegers that are real popular. And they also have this other one right here. See, this is the heavy-duty big setup right there for $1,000. Has the Pro Wi-Fi and the smoker. So, again, really cool options on those grills. So you can grab some, get some good deals, and enjoy the holidays there. They did have this wet dry vac, $30. Great thing, again, for a gift or for yourself just to have at your house. Another thing I did want to show you was the free tool purchase right here for Ryobi. This is the deal we've seen. You can see this going on. You got the tools down here at the bottom. You also have the $100 off for the 6-tool combo. And I'll show you the Ryobi item again in just a second. But just want to show you guys that deal. Then here are some of the smaller items. Again, you can see these have dropped a little bit in deals, and you can see the prices right there. Hard to beat that drill right there. $60 for a drill and $60 for an impact driver. So if you don't have either of those, you want to get started, great thing to check out. Also the impact kit, little kit right there. And I really love these little small Ryobi items. You can see these great things for gifts, for stocking stuffers and stuff like that. So check those out. They also had the Ryobi storage options on sale. You can see those. You can see the prices that used to be. Drop down in price for those. Another thing is the Husky wrenches here. Almost half price. So you can see these options are still available. Check that one out. Another shot for another drill. Great thing right there. $34. Hard to beat that. And the little screwdriver, small one right there. And like I said, I'm not going to show you every single thing going on in the store, but I do want to show you a lot of the things that have been marked down or the things that were sold out. So just want to try to show you guys all of those. Another shot at some more drills. We also have the shop vac down. This was sold out in my store. Little extensions. Also some starter kits and different things like that for Ryobi. See some of these, mark some of these prices down, get some good deals on a lot of those. Also, if you're planning on grabbing something, let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing, or if you grab something for Black Friday or for Christmas, let me know that as well. I'll have links for some of these items down below, so you can check those down there. Feel free to grab them. I get a small kickback if you guys purchase with my links down there. We can see some of these deals. Again, some of these options for Ryobi here. More batteries. Again, a great time to grab some batteries and also the charger. And then here is the big deals. We kind of showed you guys these for Black Friday, but just want to show you all again. You have the batteries, you also have the blower, and then you also have the little combo kit right there. And then when you buy one of those, then you get one of those free tools down here at the bottom. So if you need one of those options up top, it's great because you get the chance for some of the tools down here. So it's really cool. You also have the lighting kit right there far to the right, and also the larger combo kit as well. But solid deals, great options. Another sold out item right here is the Shockwave little 60 piece. So you have the little bits right there, so check that out. Then we have just a couple more items. You can see again, pretty good deals on a lot of these as well. A few more sold out items here, the little wrench sets. So pretty good deals again on those. Got some batteries and some blades right there. Again, some good deals for Milwaukee. And then more lights and stuff. They did have this little 5-piece carrier with the carabiner sold out as well. And like I mentioned, I will have the link for my other video down there if you guys want to check out every single deal going on right now for Black Friday. You can see some of the Milwaukee deals. Some of these are sold out right there up top with the batteries and stuff like that, but also the two-tool kit is still available up top right there. But if you purchase one of these larger kits up top, then you get one of these free tools. You can see all the different ones. We have radios, batteries, we have drills, more saws and stuff like that, even the lights and whatever you might need. So again, Milwaukee, great brand, a lot of great deals for these right here going on right now. So you can check those out. Then a few more pack out options. You can see these pretty significant discounts on some of these, but good options if you need a little additional options for your pack out. And then DeWalt also had their deals. You can see the batteries as well, like I was showing you earlier. Then we have the atomic impact and drill. So you can see that right there for $2.99. And then also this other pack right here was actually knocked down as well, a little bit further for the setup right there. So again, another good deal, knocked down even lower. So you can check those out. But same thing when you purchase one of those and you get one of these free tools right here. So you can get those. I really like that blower would be great. Or even, you know, some of these other tools that you might be needing. And then they have the super savings as well right here for DeWalt. So you can check all those out. Again, some really good deals on those. DeWalt, again, is a solid brand. You can see here is one that did drop down a little bit further. I have the roofing nailer, $3.70. A couple of different nailers on these. And then also some little bits right there. But again, whatever nailer you might need. I also have the 2 battery pack here, cut-off tool. And they also have more options for these. The circular saw down to $129 and also reciprocating saw as well. Deep socket set, $19. Another socket set here for $24. A little bit larger mechanics tool set, $49. That's a really good deal right there. I like that one. And also these ratchets right here as well. And then you can even get the tool backpack for $39 from Husky. And then we see some Makita items. Again, good deals up top. Buy one of these kits and you get one of these free tools. So if you need one of these kits for some tools or some batteries, you can check out some of these free tools down here as well. And then right next to those, they have a couple other super savings. You can see this on the circular saw and then also the batteries as well. Then we keep going and we see some more rigid options. Same thing. We have the kits. So again, we have batteries and 2-tool kit, and you get one of these free tools. See one of those options there. And we also have the super savings with these as well, so you can get to grab some of those. Again, depending on which one you might need. Ridgid is also a great brand. They're going to do a good job. They've had a lot of these things on sale recently at Home Depot as well. But we have some tool organizers. You see some of these for Ridgid here. Great things, again, to help you store your stuff, especially if you're mobile and on the go a lot. And then we also have the shop vac there on the far right as well. You can check that one out. Then we have the Ryobi 2-tool combo kit here for $99. So again, this was dropped down in price. And that is a great thing to check out right there. Also, Milwaukee has their 2-tool down to $179. So you see that one. Again, some good deals. Even lower deals than they were before. Atomic here for DeWalt. So again, another top-end option right there. See that one for $170. Really good deal and really good option on that one. Ridgid also has theirs for $99. Again, It's the 2-tool one over here on the left. So another great deal and great option for that, especially if you're wanting to get started in the Ridgid brand. 99 bucks. That's a really good deal for that one. We've seen these clamps at different places. Want to show you all these. 39 bucks here. Also the large clamp here for it at 99. Construction jack here for that one. We did have this little Husky table right here. I didn't see this earlier for Black Friday, so I wanted to show you guys this for 49 bucks. You can see that one right there. Again, this is the miter saw table, but Gear Wrench has their options right here. 199 bucks for this large set. I think it's a really good deal, really good option. I know they had a lot of deals at Tractor Supply on Gear Wrench as well going on right now. More Ridgid items. You can see some of these. See their prices down low. Again, if you need some of these Ridgid items, you can check those out. Or if you're in the Ridgid brand, a great thing to go in there and check out and see if you might need one. But check all of these options here. Reciprocating saw, 99 bucks. Then also the little cutoff tool, 129. They did have their circular saw down to 139. So again, solid deal right there for Ridgid. I do think maybe for Black Friday they might have had a few Ridgid items that were on clearance as well, but really good deals on these right here. Also, feel free to like and subscribe so you never miss another deal. And more Ridgid combo kits there. Then DeWalt has their storage. Again, the mobile storage right here. Not as popular as last year. I feel like everybody had theirs out, but still got some deals. So you can see these. If you need some mobile storage, great thing to grab. More small deals here for Ryobi. Little options you can grab, drill bits and stuff like that. Great thing to just pick up kind of while you're there. But you see those prices down a little bit. Get saved some while you're shopping again for Christmas. Maybe more stocking stuffers for your friends or for yourself. Another shot of that drill. Great deal with that one. We saw some of these for Black Friday as well. Just some small little tools here for Ryobi. Little small batteries as well. You see those? A lot of them have been sold out. Again, see those. You can check their availability online. I think these are really fun tools to use. Just all kind of random stuff. Little flashlights right there. Glue gun. Saw a bunch of stuff like that. Little detail scrubber here. Chemical sprayer. They did have, again, the Max Starter Kit for 90 bucks here for DeWalt. So again, you get to save a significant portion on that. Just want to show you that one. Thought that was a good deal for you. Even down, I think, lower than it was before. Got some aviation snips. I actually have some of these. They work really well. I've had them. I use them for all kind of stuff. 6-in-1 screwdriver. Can't remember what the price was earlier, but still, again, a great deal for that one. Also for these blades here for Husky. Check that one out. $5. Another great deal. The Battery Daddy. $15 right there for that one. Another solid deal there. String lights, 10 bucks. Really cool thing to check out. I also have a drone. I've never seen this one right here. 30 bucks for the Shockwave drone. Then we also have the Jellyfish lamp. 15 bucks for that one. Precision Toolkit for Anvil. 10 bucks right there. Ryobi. Little generator here. Look at that one. Ryobi generator. 2300 for 600 bucks. Not too bad for that. Stanley had a few deals. A couple different things right here for the little pry bars. Little chisel set. And then also the knife and tape measure. So again, whichever one you might need. Stanley's a solid brand. Been around a long time. They're going to do a really good job. Saw right here, stud finder, 18 bucks. Did want to show you guys this one. I don't know if I went over this one or not. 129 bucks for that, and then also 51 bucks for the charger right here. So again, solid deals. Makita had their angle grinder here for 112. Makita also had their lights on sale. So again, 180. As I'm doing this, my neighbors are getting some concrete put in at night right now, and so they got lights set up all over the place over there, working on that, trying to get it done before the rain comes. You can also see some of these are here, back savers. Great thing to pick up there. 199 bucks. Also, they had their trailers on clearance. So again, another great thing to grab. So if you're going to need a trailer, might as well grab you one right here. Really good price. They got great prices at Home Depot, and they also mix in some good prices at Tractor Supply right here. But this is one of the best ones for that size. Also, another great deal, the char griller here for $239. Grab this, save you a little bit of money, and get to grilling. Great thing right there. Pretty large setup for that one, but you get to save a significant portion. And you got some little options on the side as well. And then right next to that we have the Dyna-Glo 4-burner gas grill, $161. Hard to beat that price for a gas grill. Really good deal on that one. I do think I saw another really good price at Northern Tool. I think it would be another great one as well, gas grill and pellet grill. So, but overall, really good deals on those. But overall, I think there's some really good deals going on right now for the Christmas sale. Let me know in the comments what you guys plan on grabbing, or if you've already grabbed some stuff, I'd love to know that as well. I also have some links for these items down below. You can check those out down there. But thanks so much for watching. If this video is helpful, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. You can also check out another video right here, and I'll see you over there.